Hi super funners! Today we are looking at some of my favourite insects. Quite realistic looking, aren't they? First up we have the yellow fat-tailed scorpion. It's one of the most dangerous scorpions in the world. They are found in the semi-arid and arid regions of the Middle East and Africa. They grow to a length of nearly 4 inches. Their sting can kill. Scorpions will generally try to kill and eat anything which moves and is smaller than themselves. This is a stag beetle. The name comes from the male stag beetle's extended jaw, which looks much like a stag's antler. The male beetles use their jaws to wrestle each other to get what they want. The female stag beetle is smaller and has smaller jaws. Praying mantis have large triangular heads with bulging eyes supported on flexible necks. Some can twist their heads 180 degrees. They have 2 bulbous compound eyes, 3 small simple eyes, and a pair of antennae. They get their name from their bent legs, which looks like they are praying. They are usually brown or green and blend in with their surroundings. This is the vineyard snail. It's found in many places around the world. In Australia, it is a pest as it climbs to the top of plant crops and gets in the way when the crop is going to be harvested. The shell diameter is just under 1 inch and it's usually a white or cream colour. They feed on plant material. They also like to live in sheltered, moist conditions and are mainly active at night. To survive dry periods, they become dormant and seal off the shell entrance with a layer of dried mucus to reduce water loss until conditions improve. This is a tortoiseshell butterfly. It's a medium-sized butterfly that is mainly a reddish-orange colour with black and yellow markings on the forewings as well as a ring of blue spots around the edge of the wings. It is found in temperate climates wherever the common nettle grows, which their larvae feed on. Nectar is one of the main sources of food. The small tortoiseshell butterfly prefers flowers that are violet and red in colour. The rhinoceros beetle is part of the family of scarab beetles. They are among the largest of beetles in the world. It gets its name from the rhinoceros-like horns, which are slightly forked at the end. Rhino beetles can grow to 2.5 inches long. They are totally harmless. The males use their horns in mating battles against other males. The horns can be used to get through leaf litter and even for burrowing underground to escape danger. Only the male rhino beetle has horns. They are active at night and tend to hide from predators during the day. They can make loud hissing squeaks by rubbing their wings on their abdomen to scare off predators. They can lift up to 850 times their own weight and are able to fly. Praying mantis catch their prey between their spiked front legs. Typical prey would be moths, crickets, grasshoppers, flies, other insects, and even other praying mantis. The females lay hundreds of eggs, and when the nymphs hatch, they look like miniature versions of their parents. Golden-ringed dragonfly are easily identified by their distinctive black and yellow stripes. They are found in the UK. They feed mainly on a range of insects including midges, flies, butterflies and bumblebees. The dragonflies are found in heathland and moorland habitats. Bumblebees harvest nectar from flowers and pollinate plants. They are large yellow and black flying insects with a distinct buzz. They have stocky bodies that are covered with many hairs to which the pollen sticks. Bumblebees have 4 fast-moving wings. They live in colonies with a queen bee, drones and worker bees. Bumblebees can sting multiple times without dying like the honeybees do. The grasshopper. There are more than 11,000 species of grasshopper found worldwide in all types of habitats. They are a symbol of luck in Japan. Size can vary from half an inch to 5 inches. Their body provides camouflage, so depending on where they live, their colour can be green, brown, grey or ochre. The long hind legs are used to travel a distance 20 times longer than its body, probably about 3 feet, due to a string-like structure located in the knee, which works much like a catapult. Grasshoppers use their wings for flying. Swarms of grasshoppers are known as locusts and can do a lot of damage to crops. To attract females, the males produce a sound by rubbing their legs on their wings. This is a Lord Howe Island stick insect. They nearly became extinct due to the black rats, but a breeding pair were found on another island. The one remaining natural population only has 24 individuals. The stick insects are wingless and nocturnal, feeding only on one species of Melaleuca shrub. They can grow up to 6 inches long. There is an ongoing breeding program which has been very successful. Once the rats are eradicated, they will be able to return to Lord Howe Island. Honeybees help pollinate plants which help them reproduce. 1/3 of all the plants we eat have been pollinated by bees. They live in colonies with a queen bee, workers and drones, producing wonderful honey. They have fast-moving wings. A honeybee dies once it has used its sting. Bees are the only insects in the world that make food that people can eat. Bees have 2 separate stomachs, one for food and another just for nectar. This is a Mexican red-kneed tarantula. It has a calm temperament and natural beauty. It gets its name from the attractive markings around the middle of each leg. Its body is covered in short dark hairs. These hairs can be flicked off to deter predators and work as an irritant. They live in the dry desert areas of western Mexico. They live in burrows to escape the heat of the day. They often ambush prey by just sitting inside their burrows. This could be insects that pass by, small animals, birds and reptiles. They grow to about 8 inches. The monarch butterfly is also known as the milkweed butterfly because larvae eat the plant. By planting milkweed in your garden, you will attract monarch butterflies. The adult females lay their eggs on the underside of the milkweed leaves where they hatch. After 2 weeks, they develop into caterpillars, then transform into a pupa or chrysalis. After 2 weeks, the monarch butterfly emerges. Very beautiful. Mosquito means little fly. There are 3,500 species known worldwide. Mosquitoes cause the most deaths than any other animal in the world. They are carriers of serious diseases that can be transmitted to people or animals when they suck blood. Female mosquitoes tend to lay their eggs in stagnant water. Even very shallow puddles are suitable. There are 4 life cycle stages: the egg, the larva, the pupa and adult. Common predators of mosquitoes are fish, dragonfly and other aquatic insects. Thank you for watching Super Fun Reviews. Please stay right on here for more great videos. See you again soon.